Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting Dollar Tree haul to share. I found a bunch of very fun items. I'm so excited to try them, review them. I hit the jackpot. Let's get started. I needed to pick up elastics. So some hair elastics. I think this is a great deal for $1.25. You get 700 in here. Spring summer vibe and a Halloween vibe. I like them. They had packs that only had these in it. They had other packs with different colors, and I like this variety pack. So hair ties, and then from this Gimme brand, I found these clips, and yeah, I will use these for hair cutting as well as my own hair. I like that it's a rainbow pack, and I believe you get 20 in here. Soft touch snap clips. These were only $1.25. Yeah. So I'm very happy with these two purchases, of course. I'm actually really stoked about all of these. This haul was only $21 and some change. We want to do skincare or makeup items first. Side note, these gems on my nails are from DollarTree. They're so pretty. These are just nail stickers today. I guess we'll do skincare and then makeup last, because that's typically how I do my hauls anyways. Now this item technically could be in with the makeup items. I've been looking for this item for months. I finally found it today. But it's the Be Pure Lip Balm for silky and smooth lips. This is the compared to Vaseline Cocoa Butter Scented Lip Balm. Cocoa Butter Scented. Yes, this is the one I really wanted. And I am so excited to try this. These are such cute containers. I'll probably throw one in my purse and throw one on the makeup table. Now thinking about it, I don't know. I don't like sticking my finger in little tubs like this, so I'll always take like a Q-tip and get it out. Yeah, because I have long nails usually and I don't like getting stuff under them if I can help it. Super excited about trying these lip balms out. What to share next? I guess this one too, because I've been looking for this one as well. So from Spa Luxury, I picked up this Brazilian So Body Butter. This is in pistachio and caramel. 6 ounces. This is supposed to be a dupe for something much more expensive. The name escapes me right now, but so yesterday just so happened when I was at the Dollar Tree, my sister and her friend showed up and they were there shopping at the same time, and my sister alerted me to a bunch of skincare items that she personally had been using for months and repurchasing. So I had to try some of her favorites out as well. This was one of them, her and her friend both. And don't be alarmed, I did get one that had a seal, but I opened it because I wanted to smell it. I opened it at home after I bought it. It smells amazing. I will say though, it looks kind of thin, but it is kind of thick at the same time. Smells amazing. I can't wait to try this out. I love the packaging. So I actually had been looking for this. Never found it until yesterday. So I'm glad I did. That smells so good on the skin. A couple of the items that my sister really likes. Global Beauty Care. And this is the Smooth and Lift Collagen Facial Cleanser. It has peptides, hyaluronic acid, and squalane in it. And she said she loves this stuff. You get 2.5 ounces. Talked very highly of this facial cleanser. So I am eager to give it a try. She also uses a scrub that they have. And she likes the rice water milky toner, which they did have, but I already have a milky toner, so I didn't pick up another toner. A lot of good skincare there yesterday. Dollar Tree is really trying to step it up. Another thing that she really loves is the Dermasil products. And I do too. I like Dermasil. This is the night cream developed with dermatologist. Squalene, vitamin C, vitamin E, 2 fluid ounces. She also really loves the daily face cream. But they did not have that. This is also paraben free, dye free, and fragrance free. I am eager to try all the skincare items. I'm always looking for a scrub. Always. Right now I am currently using one, actually from the Global Beauty. Found one to replace that one when it's empty. So they only had one of these left, so I'm hoping that's a good sign that it's probably pretty decent. Extra Care Morning Fresh Facial Scrub. Oil free, gentle exfoliant, invigorating scent compared to clean and clear Morning Burst. 5 ounces. Yeah, I'm very excited about this. I have already been using a Morning Fresh kind of product in the shower too, so this will pair nicely. Gotta have a scrub at least once to twice a week. And I was hoping to find some new face serums. My sister also really likes some of these products in this little glass bottle like this. I chose to get the Global Beauty Care Vitamin C Facial Serum. This is an anti-aging skin repair serum. Illuminate, smooth, and recharge. 1.7 fluid ounces. Super nice packaging. Of course, it tells you some things back here, how to use this product. Very excited. It has a dropper. Oh, no scent. Has like a glass dropper. It looks thick. So, I'm really excited to try this vitamin C. I've been needing to get some new skincare items for a while. This is a side note, but I was watching a dermatologist talk about all the skincare that you would need if you wanted just a basic, you know, minimal product skincare. Vitamin C was one of those items for aging skin. These two products I'm real excited about as well. I'm excited about everything in this haul, obviously. And they had a bunch of these fruity, Be Pure skincare items. So this one's the Glow Up Retinol Serum with blackberry extract. So how cute is the packaging on this? But this is, yeah, a retinol serum. And my sister said she didn't like this retinol stuff. I told her maybe she was using it too much because it was irritating her skin. But yeah, it says it helps the skin to appear more firm. I am very happy about these Be Pure finds. Love the packaging on this. And then the last skincare item is also from Be Pure, and this was the last one of these. I am really hoping this is great. It's the Glow Up Illuminating Eye Cream with guava extract and vitamin C. Used my eye cream, so and it came from the DollarTree as well, and I really liked it. And currently using through a different an eye product, an under eye product, but it is about to be done as well, so I really needed to pick up something new. Paraben free and stuff. Of course, it has directions. Super duper cute packaging. Cannot wait to try this eye cream. I hope that it does help. So that is the skincare items. Makeup items. And the first makeup item I want to share, a nail product. This is the, it's from Ioni. 2-in-1 Nail Glow Nail Care. Non-toxic keratin coconut extract. Improves manicure fast absorption. Coconut extract infused water-based nail polish formula. Provides deep hydration to the cuticles and the nail plate. Cruelty-free, vegan-friendly. If I was wearing my glasses when I was there, I might not have gotten this because it says water-based. So I'm a little leery about using this because water-based products usually don't last as long on the nails. But I'm still excited to try it. I hope that it smells a little bit like coconut as well. They had this one, a passion fruit one, I believe. But 2-in-1 Nail Glow Nail Care extract, coconut extract, keratin. nonetheless, I'm still excited to try this. We'll probably be doing a review on this. They had this, like I said, in a couple different like scents, and this one was like a milky white and the other one was a pink color. I was excited to see Koki there. They did have polishes there, but they were just all plain Jane polishes. And although I'm excited to see a name brand there, I'm not just going to purchase it to be purchasing. Like, it has to be kind of special or unique or a color that I would use a lot in nail art and on my nails as a base before purchasing it, because I have over 800 nail polishes. So at this point in my collection, it usually has to be pretty unique. But this is the Koki Nourishing Lip Oil in Pinky Promise. It's comfortable wear, nourishing formula, large doe foot applicator, and I was like, ooh! Lip oil. I love lip oil. I'm excited to see. I did not pick up a ton of makeup because we are in a stage in an era in our lives where we do not need it all. We just want to try a few products. The old me, like 10-15 years ago, I would have been like, I need every piece that I find for this collection and do videos on it and stuff. A lot of times, a lot of those products didn't get used up. I would declutter them, things like that. Decluttering in my collection still happens because I have a large collection. If I pick out products that I know for a fact that most likely I will use, I'm more likely to purchase that product. I just try to be a lot more mindful of things that I purchase now, if that makes sense. So Ione had some new stuff, and I love a dark lip pencil. I could not resist this. This says Butter Bay, not sure, but lip pencil. Yeah, vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free. It says it's long-lasting, creamy, fill and define matte finish. The shade is called True Brown, but it looks like a cherry red, or black cherry, I should say. Shea butter, some other butter, cocoa butter. Yeah, so lip pencil. And stay tuned for full face of DollarTree makeup. There will be a new one coming soon, and I will try and swatch all of these products you see makeup wise in that video, so stay tuned for that as well. Along with the lip liner, they had all kinds of new products. The Dewy Glow Setting Mist, Walk-In Makeup, Radiant Finish, Lightweight, Vitamin E, Grapeseed Oil. I'm glad that it's not like shimmery or anything, because it says like Radiant Finish, Dewy Glow, and this is in Watermelon Scent. I like the packaging on this collection. Super cute. Yeah. Also paraben free, vegan free, cruelty free, watermelon extract, vitamin E, lightweight, radiant finish. So it's to lock in your makeup. I feel like it's kind of rare to find setting sprays at the Dollar Tree sometimes, so I had to pick this up. The last item that I picked up, surprisingly, they had the entire collection there. And I'm going to refer to this because I'm not entirely sure what the actual name of this collection is, but it's the yellow colors, like mermaid, beach kind of themed collection with these shells here. They had the eyeshadows, but before I even went, I'd watched some reviews in the color stories. I was like, you know, so I think I'll leave those behind. Left those, the lip products. I can't remember what else was in that collection, but I wanted a blush. So I do love this packaging. It's going to be a little bit bulky to store, but I cannot pass up on a mauve blush. Magical mauve, however you want to say mauve. I usually say mauve. So yes, how adorable. I do wish that we could see the actual color. I'm not going to open this yet, but I'm so happy that I was able to find at least one of the blushes. Even though I found the whole collection, which was really awesome. But once again, trying to be mindful of what we're actually going to use. I do love doing Dollar Tree reviews. I'll continue to do Dollar Tree reviews, makeup videos, all that stuff. So that is everything from Dollar Tree. I thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the haul. Stay tuned for more videos like these, as well as reviews and testing out the face products. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. And thank you so very much for watching.